Hello and welcome. I'm Kenna Johnson from the Channel Company. The global events of 2020 changed the way companies do business in all different sectors. Many SMBs transitioned to remote work, cloud-based platforms, and solutions. For companies like Park Place Technologies, that change brought growth. The tech company acquired Curvature, an IT equipment and hardware maintenance company, amid a pandemic. This move gave Park Place Technologies more employees, more revenue, and expanded its global reach. Now, Park Place Technologies is unveiling its new partner program, and their Global Vice President of Channel, Jeff McCullough, is here to give us a first look at what you can expect. Welcome, Jeff.
Hey, thanks, Kenna. Happy to be here.
Thank you for joining me. Let's just get right to it. How are you integrating Park Place Technologies and Curvature, and how will this expand the value of the partner program?
Bringing Curvature and Park Place together really creates a company with the capacity to cover the globe. We're in 156 countries. We increased our coverage in the market. We increased the number of customers, obviously, that we're working with, over 21,000 customers globally. 450 of the Fortune 500 are now Park Place customers in total. Curvature also brings some really great additions in terms of our portfolio. Curvature had a great professional services program, and we're excited to integrate that into Park Place's program, doing things like data center moves, doing things like network analysis, storage analysis, helping customers run IT better.
Park Place Technologies is known for hardware maintenance, but you've also expanded your services. How will this help customers support their data center challenges?
We have started to expand our portfolio, and as such, for partners that think of Park Place as a third-party maintenance company, if you look at us now, we've really transformed from third-party maintenance to data center services. Our portfolio of offerings, just even in the last year, we've added things like discovery services. When we acquired Intuity, which is focused on network analytics, we've integrated that business and now offer it as a service level, Parkview Network as a service offering that customers can acquire and consume, on demand. We've added new features like our first-time fix guarantee to our core business, which ensures that customers that are using our monitoring services, we guarantee we're going to fix your problem the first time we visit, which means we have the right level of tech, the right part showing up and being able to solve the problem quickly. And if not, we'll cover the cost of maintenance for that month. We've also introduced our first call service, which actually allows us to provide warranty support for customers that really love the support experience with Park Place and would like to extend that across their entire install base. So we've continued to expand and grow our portfolio beyond that core of maintenance. And every time we do that, we increase the opportunity for our partners to attach and drive more revenue per transaction.
Thank you so much for joining me today, Jeff. And thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Park Place Technologies Partner Program, visit the website at the bottom of your screen. For the Channel Company, I'm Kenna Johnson.